So in this video, we are going to learn how you can create Pabbly email marketing subscriber on Pabbly Form Builder submission. Let's say you're using a suite of Pabbly. We are using Pabbly Form Builder as an online form building application and Pabbly email marketing as your email marketing platform. And you're using Pabbly Connect to connect both of these applications. So you can set up an automation using which whenever you are going to receive a new form submission in Pabbly Form Builder, automatically the same form responses will be sent to Pabbly email marketing using Pabbly Connect. And you can automatically add the same person as a subscriber in your Pabbly email marketing account. Now, if you want to learn how you can connect all of these applications all by yourself, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is the form which I've created using Pabbly email marketing. And this is a newsletter sign up form. Now I want that whenever someone will enter their details and make the form submission, I want to add the same person as subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. Now to do this, we have to connect Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly email marketing, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration platform to do so. And to get started with Pabbly Connect, you will get a free sign up link in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Also, let me tell you, with Pabbly Plus, you can get all the applications of Pabbly in just one single plan. So if you want to use all of these platforms, I'll suggest you to check out Pabbly Plus for sure. Now, after coming to Pabbly Connect dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow. So let's say I'll name the workflow as Pabbly Form Builder to Pabbly Email Marketing. After naming a workflow, just select the folder of the Pabbly Connect account and click on Create. And as we click on Create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect the form which we have created in Pabbly Form Builder with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we make a new form submission, automatically the form responses will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger. Then after that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same form responses to Pabbly email marketing and add that user as a subscriber over there automatically. So let's see how it is done. Here in trigger step, in choose app, search for Pabbly Form Builder and select it. After selecting Pabbly Form Builder, here in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new form submission. After selecting this trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we have to add this webhook URL into the form which we have created using Pabbly Form Builder. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to the form which we have created in Pabbly Form Builder. After coming to Pabbly Form Builder, from the left sidebar, click on Integrations. After clicking on Integrations, we will come to this page of integrations. We have to select webhooks and click on this Add Webhook button. As we click on Add Webhook, this dialog box will appear in front of us. And here in the field of Add Webhook, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see this webhook URL is now added in this form. Now, whenever we are going to receive a new form submission in this form, automatically the form responses will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to capture some response of a new form submission. So let's do it. We'll go to the form. We'll open this form in preview mode in a new tab. And we are going to enter the details of a dummy user over here. Let's see, the name of the person is demo user. This is the name and this is the email address. After entering these details, let's click on Submit. And as you click on Submit, here you can see just now in this form, we have received a new form submission. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, you can see it. We have received the response. And in this response, we have received the details of the exact same form submission. We have the same first name, same last name, and same email, which we have just now entered while making the form submission. So this means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to send the same form responses to Pabbly email marketing and add this person as a subscriber over there. For that, we'll scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we'll search for Pabbly email marketing. After selecting this, here in our action step in the drop down below, we have to select the action event as add subscriber. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Pabbly email marketing account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our Pabbly email marketing account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API token. To get it, just go to your Pabbly email marketing account. From the left sidebar, go to integrations. After coming to integrations, we'll go to the developer API section. And after coming to developer API, you can see the API token over here. Just copy the API token from here and paste it over here. After pasting the API token, just click on save. And as we click on save, you can see our Pabbly email marketing account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the list name. And in this dropdown, you can see all the subscriber lists which we have created in our Pabbly email marketing account. Out of all of this, I have this list named as opt-in users in which I want to add the subscriber which I am getting from Pabbly Form Builder. So I'm selecting this list over here. After selecting the list, it is asking us for the email and name. So basically, we have to enter the details of the user which we have received as a form response from Pabbly Form Builder. So here from the trigger step responses, one by one, we have to send these details of form responses to this Pabbly email marketing action step. And to add the trigger step responses in this action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of email and from this drop down, select the response of email address and it will be mapped. Then follow the same process of mapping for name as well. Click here from the drop down, select the response of first name and it will be mapped. Then just add a space and map the response of last name as well. After mapping these details, just click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see we are going to receive some response. And this response seems to be a success response, a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically the user whose details we have entered while making the form submission in Pabbly Form Builder, is now added as a subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing account. So let's check it. We'll just go to a Pabbly email marketing account, go to the subscriber section and open the same subscriber list which we have selected. We'll just open this opt-in user subscriber list and here you can see one subscriber is added. And this is the same subscriber, the same user whose details we have added while making the form submission in Pabbly Form Builder. So here you can see that using this Pabbly Connect automation which we have created between Pabbly Form Builder and Pabbly Email Marketing, automatically using the same form responses, we are going to add a subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. For that, we are going to enter the details of a new user over here. This is the email address. And after entering the email address, we are going to just submit the form. Now, as we make this form submission, you will see instantly within seconds, the same person will be added as subscriber in Pabbly Email Marketing. So we will just refresh our contact list subscriber list in Pabbly Email Marketing once. And yes, here you can see that just now the count is updated to 2 and the second user whose details we have just now added while making the form submission in Pabbly Form Builder is added as a subscriber in this Pabbly Email Marketing subscriber list. So we have tested this automation which we have created using Pabbly Connect and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same automation workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.